Hi, today I want to talk about the easiest way to sharpen your knives. This is the little thing that I bought on Amazon a couple of years ago. I never did any reviews on it, so today is the day. This sharpener is designed for Asian, American and European knives and serrated knives. This slot will give you 15-degree angle. This one will give you 20-degree angle. Why those angles are important? For one simple reason. Japanese knives require 15-degree angle. If you sharpen that knife with a different angle, you're basically going to dull those knives and will damage them. European and American knives usually have a 20-degree angle. So the easiest way to get this sharpening angle is to use this device. You put it in appropriate slot and you will get a perfect sharpening precision. Before I bought this sharpening tool, I was using this kind of stone, and I was always kind of guessing about the angle, and my knives were never sharp. So I stopped using this. That's really not an efficient way unless you're really professional. I'm not. So all you have to do, if this is a Japanese knife, you put it right over here in between and move it in and out several times until your knife is sharp. You can actually hear the little bit grinding because there is a diamond insert on the inside of this thing, and then of course after several seconds you can just manually check if it's sharp or not, and then at the end you're gonna use number 3 slot just to slightly polish your knife, and you will see the results immediately. This is the simplest way to sharpen your knife without damaging the knife. And like I said, this is Japanese knife. It requires 15-degree angle. American knives that I also have, I use 20-degree angle. This is the only thing that will allow you to do it perfectly every single time at the perfect angle. This knife is pretty dull now. Let's try to sharpen that and see how it's going to perform. Much better. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.